do something, and now he's just adorable. He's just I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the bump, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cops going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes, cause all I want is cash and things. I 5 double O, bands wantin' flashy brains.
You might be the truck's just sitting here waiting for owners.
Oh, that's an ugly windshield wiper.
One big one.
Yeah.
I need that. What the hell is that? A Joker themed Tesla? No, that ain't Joker. So as you can see, we're at the Tesla dealership. Somebody's picking up a new car. You'll see which one it is in a few. What I wanted was this plaid right here. It's even got it on the seats and the but got the carbon fiber on it. That's how you know it's a plaid, when that's in color. Oh boy, another plaid, different color. This one ain't in color, so I think that's just the performance, not the plaid. Key fob shaped like a car. Waiting on the wife to get called to come and get her car. So I had to come back out and check out this Joker Cybertruck. I don't know if it's a Cyber Beast, but it's definitely a Joker themed Cybertruck. Need to get him in the Comic Palooza. Let me see if any of these are Cyber Beasts out here. And they don't have it on that side. It's plastic dipped. Let's see if this is a Cyber Beast. Nope. Nope. Maybe they don't have any. We got this one right here, Army Green. There's the Cyber Beast. That's what you're looking for if you want to know the difference between the regular Cybertruck and the Cyber Beast. It's got Cerberus on it. So that's the, I think it's either 600 or 900 horsepower Cyber Beast. I don't think we're gonna add this one to the collection though. But let me know what y'all think about it. This is the Plaid X SUV with 1,020 horsepower with the gold wing doors that dance. Now, this is an SUV monster right here. Get the kids to the soccer practice fast as hell. Goodbye, old Jeep. No more Jeep Waves and Ducks. I think it's gonna be like 9-volt batteries or something, I don't know. Not sure if I'm feeling these wheels though. I like those better. I don't like those at all, but aerodynamics, I guess. So multiple people have 5 o'clock appointments, but they only seen a certain group of people, and people who complained about why is it 5:20, 5:25, and they haven't been seen for their 5 o'clock appointment now. So you can see who's left in here. Can't get away from it. What you thinking so far?
They need to hurry up.
5 o'clock appointment was how long ago?
41 minutes ago. I do believe so. Did you see another one?
No, just that one.
And you said change it to always allow?
Yes, ma'am. It's brand new. If I drive it away and I didn't tell them these things, they would just say they wouldn't know that it was from the shipment.
On the app, it had the door open when he had it open.
It's showing it moving. Not really, but
No. Yeah, it is. You can see the lines in the You probably can't get it on your video.
No. So he's got to go take it to put the hubcap back on correctly. And the license plate tip tags. And then we might be ready to go. Probably should check the inside out too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thank you for being such a car guy.
Testing my patience over here though. This place right here. I don't know if I recommend them.
Yeah.
Like you said, everybody else's car is on the charger, getting topped off.
Oh, I say 99%.
Or maybe they pulled it off because it was full.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, they are flashing.
Let me see.
Coming back.
Let me hit the button.
See if he make it park or he park it.
I learned that from the app.
Yeah, it's not like the Plaid where you had to go like here to unlock it.
Well, it already was unlocked.
Yeah.
But wait, he didn't give us the key cards. Are they there?
I don't know. Get in your car and see. That velvet? There's nothing in there?
Yeah, something in there.
Might be him.
I need to put these cups down.
You, John Normica, need to put the seat way back. I guess you don't need it if your phone works for it.
Yeah, but in the app it said to always have it on you.
It looks like a how-to book. Maybe the card's in there.
That's the key. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
You excited?
yeah.
See any issues?
No, not so far. It's deep.
Let me make sure you ain't got no mirror that you can be looking at while you at the stop in your self-driving mode. No, that's tiny. You can't do nothing with that thing.
I can see.
Some ambient lighter thing. What?
Yeah.
Look at that big old panoramic roof, though.
Yeah, you know they made a sunshade for that.
It should.
They do. I see on
It should have it where you can press the button and darken it or something.
You can
That's a
enable
lot of
hands-free trunk.
Oh, okay.
Let's do that.
Perforated, so it might have cooling and heat back here too. Fold seats, heat. Check that out later. Technologia. So, brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y with the Scorpion Pirellis on it. Some 19s, but we gonna keep them clean.
They got a button up here for close the door.
Press it. I was about to say, these don't seem like it's automatic open. Kind of spacious though. That's who was supposed to be seeing us. She was busy. So homeboy had to help us out. Hands right here.
They got heated seats in the back.
Heated and cool rear.
Right in, you know, you see it?
Yeah. What you got going on in here?
This is just the music for right now.
That's from your phone?
He said this is all like the apps and everything.
It's a lot of apps.
Yeah, so my Apple Music and Apple,
Yeah.
Amazon and Apple. Then let's see. I
So-
wanted to look. Oh,
360 view.
okay, that's the camera button. Now I know.
So what is he about to do now with it?
So I was asking him about the 2,000 miles for trading in my gas car. You get 2,000 miles.
Yeah.
And he was showing me on the app, and he went to right here where it say charging and charging stats, but it didn't have it, like it don't show.
Oh, maybe because they ain't accepted the vehicle yet.
Well, yeah, and he said that he didn't really know how to see it from the customer side. He said, but essentially, it would not charge me for the first 2,000
Hours.
of charge.
Got your name up there.
Yep. I was trying to find.
Fancy schmancy.
We got a photo booth.
Car takes pictures.
Yes.
Oh Lord. Doing too much. Strike a pose.
I agree, baby. It did do too much, but
Yeah, it has something to do while the car driving itself.
yeah, it's another.
It's the Kobe color.
Yeah. So the other one that I was looking at, that's the top model, top of the line of this. This was carbon fiber. Like that was really the only difference. And that and it had it went all the way. I think this part right here. That's what was carbon fiber, and it went all the way across. It's like $13,000.
Yeah, but this ain't bad.
Oh,
AC on?
yeah.
With the doors open, trying to air condition the parking lot.
Well, here you come.
You know, you could have warned me that you was using self-driving. and not just, you know, I saw your hand on the wheel for a brief minute.
Now turn left onto International Drive.
Why would it even tell you where to go if it's going to bring you there anyway? Look at this. Meets George Jetson. Judy Jetson. Is that what it is? Oh boy. This self-driving off the bat?
Hey, Corey said you need to keep your score right.
Yeah, if you got Tesla insurance, we ain't got no Tesla insurance.
Well, I don't know if it ain't gonna affect our insurance.
I guess it don't matter how your seat set up if you ain't driving. You can just be relaxed, huh?
Now turn right onto Carruthers Parkway.
This lady. Self-driving the whole way. Boy.
Do it the whole way. Because I want to get on
You
it.
can disengage it?
Yeah. He said that
The car look both ways?
you can pressing on the brake.
It'll disengage it?
You can hit the button up the top that say self-driving.
What sloth means?
I don't know, baby. I have to look into that. I don't know a
For
lot.
when you want to just do the speed limit like he was saying?
Maybe like slow mo.
Yeah.
And then he said also that you can grab the steering wheel and it'll also disengage it. So them 3 ways to disengage self-driving mode. Yeah. The one thing that I like, but I don't really like this whole move. You know how much it costs to get this whole thing tinted? Just this? It's $600 and something.
So that's $1,100 for everything.
Yeah. But then the back windows are good though. Like they got a little tint on them already.
Yeah, but that ain't shining sunny on you.
Right. And I guess people can't really tell if you self-driving or not.
I guess not.
I mean, because, not everybody, I don't really drive with my hand on the top of the steering wheel. Oh, we gotta go get some tint, baby. Definitely.
Tint, well, here we come.
Oh, man. Oh, I'm glad they got the little thing on there. I ain't gonna peel it off. You can't even tell it's on there. Yeah, until I get one. Yeah, I just saw that.
Turn right onto Cool Springs Boulevard.
Until I ordered that thing from Amazon.
Well, at least it automatically adjusts when somebody brake checks you out of the blue.
Now turn right onto Cool Springs Boulevard.
Changing lanes, speeding up, slowing down. They about to cut us off. It's going to adjust for that too.
I'm in love.
Oh man, it's like you got your own chauffeur, huh?
Man, nobody can replay.
That's your chauffeur.
No. Love.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so sloth me, I think it might just do the speed limit.
Right.
Because when I asked him about it, I was like, well, shit. What if I want to go be in self-driving mode, but I want to go faster? He said, yes, you can change it. So he's like, you can change it to make it go like 5 miles faster than the speed limit, 10 miles faster than the speed limit. And I was like, oh, he didn't show me how to do it, but he told me that you can do it.
Right. I'm assuming it's that drop down by sloth.
Yeah. I'm a little nervous to press it.
Get used to it first.
Yeah.
Because we got to trust something that we ain't never trusted before.
That part.
With our lives. Trusting Elon up in here.
It ain't, and it's true though.
Tell the cop the car was speeding, not me.
I ain't even got my foot on the pedal, sir.
The car did.
In 1,000 feet, keep left to stay on Interstate 60. Keep left to stay on Interstate 65 South.
And us do our
Making you do what? The speed limit. So? You ain't got nowhere to be.
Yeah, I do.
Now keep left to stay on Interstate 65 South.
I wonder if it does what everybody else is doing.
There's a mode for that. That's the kind of the follow the traffic
Oh,
type.
the speed limit went up anyway.
Yeah, but we doing 73.
Car is speeding, not you. got something to put the grandbabies in now.
I always had something to put the grandbabies in.
I'll be so nervous. I'm like, they so close. He's swerving into the lane. Every time he inch over, the car inch over, but it still stays in the lines. So I wonder what happened if she come over when she ain't supposed to. She ain't watching it. She got a phone up there on the right side. Every time she look at the phone, she come over here. You're supposed to trust Elon. If they break, the car gonna break. Let's see what happens if they pull out in front of you. Cause I think all them people, some of them might realize that lane exit and they need to get over.
I hope this motherfucker realize that we need to get over.
Yeah, it says exit.
Yeah.
0.8 miles. It's looking for an opening.
And guess what I got again, baby?
What?
Electric windows.
Yeah, you ain't gotta reach.
It's been a long time.
You gotta reach in the back seat to put the window down. Reach in the back seat to lock the doors. Hey, Jeep Gladiator.
Too soon.
Why you ain't wave at him?
Too soon.
We gonna have to do like.
Smart motherfucker. Look at that damn thing.
Pick the right time to cut in front of the party bus. To the ducks. With a duck wave. Maybe you gotta touch your tongue like you used to do with the 9-volt battery when you was younger. When you drive by a Tesla, you gotta go.
Get that electric juice.
Yeah, I think everybody done did it before.
Because you are in your for the vehicle, you know.
Yeah, because at first I was like, is that for the phone? But that's for the phone.
Yeah, my phone ain't charging right now, so.
And how does it know how much juice you got there? It just tracks it?
That's the juice for the car.
Right. What's that right there?
Oh, because my phone is Bluetooth connected.
Right. So Bluetooth tells the car how much battery you got.
Or is that how much battery we gonna have by the time we get home?
Oh, maybe.
Because yeah, you got me. Because I got 92% battery.
Okay, so that must be what it is. Because it said end trip, so I guess at the end of the trip in an hour and 7 minutes, it's gonna be at 64%. So you gonna try to charge it tonight?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it at home though.
Right. Not at the Tesla charger. Be an excuse to go to Bucky's. But you don't want them to charge it because you're supposed to be getting it for free.
Yeah, I mean.
Now take exit 59AB on the right.
Excuse me. I don't have a.
In 1,000 feet, take exit 59B on the right onto Interstate 840 west toward Memphis, Dixon.
That lane change, I'd do it smoother than that though.
Now to be on the right.
That go a Tesla, That's the X. Maybe you gotta throw up the I, they gotta throw up the X or the S. They do have P series too. Look at that lane change though. More traffic. Look at that, even adjustment getting cut off.
I asked the guy, I was like, so when they're stopping, do the car behind me see brake lights? And when they're signaling, do they see the signal lights? He was like, yeah. Shit.
Without the pedal moving.
Take exit 30 on the right onto US 430.
Without anything. Do you like my pic? Black on black? On black?
I like like it.
Now keep right
gray on
toward
black on
Lewisburg.
black.
Not disappointed anymore. She didn't get the plaid.
Thank you.
I didn't know it wasn't all-wheel drive.
Now bear right towards Murfreesboro.
It's cool though. It's like real luxury
Yeah.
compared to the last couple.
Yeah. He in love with
That's enough filming. She listening to Glorilla. We ain't about to do that on my channel. Peace. That's that Tesla map that they tell you it show everything around you. And if you go to the graveyard, it show the people walking around. The people around you like they're walking around. So that Tesla map, that's the only one that do that. I don't think we should try that. But we did pass by at that one Love's we stopped at. They had a graveyard on the corner.
Yeah.
I don't know, we might have to get a few likes to do that. I don't know.
And you know monkey do. Do you rap or do you tweet? Cause I can't tell, get in the booth, bitch. Stop all that motherfucking yelling, ho. Cause I ain't buying what you selling, ho.
Put solitaire on.
Bitch.
And see if it's
I
still
know
like
it,
in
ho.
park.
Jesus walked on water, I got ice.
Yeah,
ho.
available in park.
Shit, I'm not your baby mama.
That's what I'm gonna be doing on my lunch break.
He in my DM writing out. Better hold your nigga tight before I make you come up off. Say 2 rounds on the shine.
Night mode. Changed the whole scheme, the color scheme. Has it been since you ain't touched nothing? I don't even know.
I don't even know. At least 40? It's like 70 something miles, 70 something miles from the place. And we got 30 miles till we get home.
You say what now?
The AC moving, I got it going swinging side to side.
Oh, it's oscillating.
Yeah.
Mine ain't doing it.
Because I got us on a split because I was hiding.
Oh. Wow.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Sandlin Road. Then turn left onto Upton Road.
Going the wrong way to the interstate. And he's about to fall in the ditch. Ain't got bright lights on.
John Tesla.
Car slowed down for an idiot.
Now turn right onto Sandlin Road.
Elmont, Alabama. What happened? Got some G-forces behind. Accelerate pretty quick.
Yeah.
Without an odometer or tachometer, you don't know what it tops out at. You know, does it top out at 110, 120, 130? You don't even know. You're going to have to test it.
Send it. I'm going to let you put it on the track, baby.
Okay.
The steering feel like it's automatically making me want to stay in the line.
Probably got the correction on the
Yep.
lane assist.
Oh, I got to turn. Well, I guess you can't really turn that off because you kind of need that when you're in self-driving mode.
Right. And is it going to turn back on? I mean, it should.
With the self-driving?
The lane assist, if you put it in self-driving, it should.
Oh.
In the country. Sunset in the Tesla. Panoramic roof. The moon directly above us. Regenerative braking that helps charge the car as it brakes. Sending the motor into the battery. That's cool.
That's cool.
High beam. didn't come on?
It's on automatic.
Oh.
I got a signal light and everything. Oh no, that motherfucker don't go in. It just go up and down. Cause your wipers and everything on the screen. God dang.
Digital everything.
Well, I guess you could click the button and turn it on right there.
Okay. Pretty cool.
You got a curve coming up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's it.
definitely get out the curve.
And that's a cop. No, and a cop.
I really don't know how to turn the GPS off. I didn't go to Walgreens.
I don't think. Oh, just go straight then. In the world for lazy people.
Yes, indeed.
Automatic bright lights when it's dark out. It should turn off when it sees another car though. It's always a car in this corner. Now it ain't a car in this corner. Car coming. Let's see if you turn the bright lights off automatically. You ain't turned them off yet. Oh man. They get It's just automatic?
It just said
I
automatic.
thought blue meant bright though.
Yeah, because remember earlier it was green.
Oh well.
Now turn left onto East Elm Street.
Yeah, it went green now. Well, and waited till they ran the light to go. I can dig that. Alright, let's see if it gets us to Walgreens parking lot. And is it gonna park us or we have to take over?
Now turn right.
What if it going McDonald's? Stop for that idiot. Oh, where we going, Tesla? Where we going, Model Y? You gonna find a spot for us?
Now your destination is on the right.
Said we was gonna stop right in front of the stove. No, we going in the parking spot? Forward? Oh, okay. Well, well, well. How about that? Why you putting him forward, lady?
They do.
After self-driving for an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Hands on. Self-driving is disabled. They got them out. Got the cards out. The Tesla playing cards.
Where did you go look at the Oh yeah, baby, we gonna lunch date. Amazing. Amazing.
It's too much, man.
Okay, what was your address?
Final thoughts?
Best decision ever.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's the new 2026 Tesla Model Y, long range, and our thoughts about it. It's the new car on the channel. So you're definitely going to be taking it out to places, probably take it to the racetrack, see what it does. It's supposed to be 460 horsepower, rear wheel drive only, still electric motors. So it didn't slip at all. So it should be fun. Let me know what y'all want to see. We might put it in the channel. Twins.
Yeah.
First time self-driving. It's weird as hell. It's tracking the people right there. I was about to go the wrong way. You didn't see those barricades back there. So let me try starting it again. We almost had an incident. Speed limit is 20. It's still not speeding up to 20. This would be a problem for somebody who's a control freak. Waiting for the optimum time to get over. Changing lanes, signaling. Stop at the stoplight. It's showing me the truck that's way over there down the street. Speed limit's 35 now. It's getting over because this car is going too slow. I might have to put it back on sloth because it's going too fast. standard, it kind of speeds a little bit. On sloth, it drives exactly the speed limit. Standard is, I think, 5 to 10 miles over. Hurry makes it go, I think, 15, 20 over the speed limit. Something like that. So you got to make sure you got it on the right mode, even though it's doing self-driving, because it'll get you in trouble. A friend of mine did get pulled over while doing self-driving, and luckily he got out of the ticket. Said the car was driving, not him, and he wasn't paying attention to what he had it set to. So you can't always do that. You can't always get out of it. But sloth, standard, and hurry are the 3 options. Pretty cool. This lane right here is going to end soon, so I want to see how it merges with the car right there. It's a big red light that comes on right here to let you know when something's over there in the area. Like, not like the yellow light you normally get when there's a car in your side view. See if it shows it when this guy pulls up. The lane ends up here. Signal to get over in front of this guy with enough space and clearance to do it safely. This is great for lazy people. But Tesla is something else. It is something else. Not completely sold yet, but I see why people have that allure to all the technological advances that these vehicles have to offer, because it could definitely spoil you. Definitely spoil you. But that's gonna be it. I'm not showing y'all exactly where I work at, but I give it probably a 9 out of 10, other than trying to go the direction it would have been open if those barricades wasn't there and it not noticing. But other than that, pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. No hands, no feet. This thing hard brakes and does exactly what the speed limit says, and I think that upsets some people. But it is what it is. It's gonna do the speed limit. I came back because I want to see how it handles a traffic circle, because I don't think we did that on the drive back. So I want to see if it chooses the correct lanes for the traffic circle that's upcoming. So let's find out. So coming up to the traffic circle now. It's turning right the way it should. And it should get over into the left lane afterwards. Yep, and it's getting over into the left lane. And it knows we need to be in the far right lane so we can take the next right turn. Speeding up to the speed limit. Now it's getting over into the far right lane like it should. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Let me know what y'all think about this technology, man. This is some Jetson stuff right here. with some of them? Ain't nobody in it. Oh, it's coming over. When you forget where you parked at, just make the car come to you. That's some crazy shit. No matter how many times I see it.